Wrist Club. Here we go. Straight in with a stopping from John. Look at that. Absolutely perfect. Well done.
Yeah.
Oh. Thank you, Lee. Get out of here. Didn't see that one coming. And again, John just warming up that bike with a stoppie. That's a wheelie with the front wheel as opposed to the back wheel. Now we've got Dave coming in. Give Dave a wave, come on. He likes the appreciation of the audience.
Filming it.
And we've got one more to come out, which is a guy that's making his first visit to Santa Pod Raceway, but putting on a fantastic show over the 2 days so far. This is Tim. Come on out, Tim.
Yeah, I know. I'm filming it all.
When he can get his bike started. Now these guys really working overtime at the moment because they're always called into play when there's been an oil down on the track. And they've been just working so hard. John is in charge of the Wrist Club. He's the guy that put it all together. And some great riders here today, John.
Yeah, the weather helps a lot, gets the guys going. Dave's the baby of the bunch, he's 19.